Yiddish came from my dad's branch. I almost never heard it in my childhood, but the grandma, who happens to be my dad's mom, used to say just a couple things, but really important things, such as "Ich hab dich lieb von der Weitens." I remember it from childhood. I would ask her, "Do you love me?" And she said, "Я тебе так скажу," starting in Russian. "I'll tell you this." And then she says, "Ich hab dich lieb von der Weitens." I love you from a distance. And she laughed, because she was teasing me. But this is to me, it's a very important Yiddish spell that probably has programmed my lifestyle in many ways.
How so?
Traveling all the time. Often finding yourself distant, voluntarily or involuntarily.